So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Astral Poly share. So we know that today the stock has given very good movement of almost 10% and currently it is trading near 650 rupees level. So previously when you have discussed about Astral Poly, especially we have discussed after the bonus issue and we have done all the technical analysis. So currently it has hit our target of 1600 and currently it is showing some bullish indication. So what would be the immediate next target? So that also we'll try to find out, and there are few updates regarding Astral Poly, especially regarding the Q4 result update, and also few brokerages have updated their target rating. So each and everything we'll try to discuss. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so let us discuss how the deliveries have been taken on regular basis. So if you see today's traded activity, so you can see almost 8,87,000 shares have been traded, and if you see deliveries wise, almost 4 lakh shares have been taken into deliveries, and percentage wise we can see 45% deliveries have been taken. So since the past 3 sessions the deliveries have consequently increased because of the upcoming results that Astral Poly is going to declare, which are turning out to be little positive on year basis. Also a very good increment would be present. Okay, so we know that Sharekhan has recently released an update regarding Astral Poly. So it is estimating that this particular company may expect a very good net profit of almost 119 crore, which is up almost 75%, and you can see 37.3% increment is present on quarter basis. So this particular stock is basically a very good stock, and to the sector basically to which it belongs already we have discussed, which is having a very good potential. So on that particular basis only, so many investors have invested in this, and for them it has given very good returns. So if we go little back as well, so on consistent basis the financials also have improved, and also the bonus issue basically it has done on a regular basis. So last year also it has declared the bonus, again in this particular year also it has given that. So consistency is present, so that is very important. And you can also see the net sales are expected to increase by 41.8% up year on year. You can see increment is present of 26% quarter basis. So this much amount of positive sentiment was present regarding this particular stock. So that's why today that particular movement has been generated. Okay, so next coming to other brokerages which have predicted the target, you can see 663 is the target which was given by ICICI Securities. So that was also a little positive note. And apart from that, if you see the deliveries percentage also, you can see on day wise has increased significantly. So that is what I was telling. So you can see on an average 50% plus deliveries have been taken. So the past 2 trading sessions, you can see the stock was little volatile. On April 13th we have seen almost a 5% fall. Again yesterday it has recovered that particular fall, and today also we can say roughly 16% has been recovered. Okay, so the final update regarding Astral Poly is the investor meet. So this particular update was also released in BSE website. So you can see the interaction with IIFL Asset Management. So this particular investment meet is supposed to be held on April 15th, 2021. So on this particular note also the company has declared some positive interactions are happening with IIFL Asset Management company. Okay, so we're back onto the technical charts. You can see the stock has closed near 1678 with almost 9.99% positive movement. So if you see in 1 week chart, so first we'll start our discussion on weekly time frame. So you can see after the issue has been created, so the stock has come near the 1750 region, and after that little correction was seen in the stock, and we clearly discussed that this particular region, especially the 1450 1460 region, so that is going to be very important. So the stock from that particular levels only has retraced, because there we have the 50-day exponential moving average. So from that particular level only the stock has retraced, and also you can see money flow index has also gone down near the 46 rupees region. So 46 range basically, so that is completely in the mid range. So whenever any stock is going into that particular mid range, so you need to have an eye, because they may retrace at any point of time from that particular region. Okay, so if we start our discussion on 1-day chart, so clearly you can see the stock has been respecting the 200-day exponential moving average very well, so which is coming out to be near 1541. So that is also a very important level. So from there only you can see a double bottom type pattern has been formed, not completely like that, but some sort of similar support has been taken at the 200-day exponential moving average. So the immediate next support that we need to watch out is near 1600 rupees region for the targets of almost 1700 plus. Okay, so this is going to be the next immediate levels that you need to watch out, and the money flow index in daily chart is also pointing upwards, and it is suggesting that it may shoot up in the coming sessions as well, due to the results which are going to be very positive, especially year on year basis increment as well as quarter on quarter basis increment. Also a very good momentum will be seen. So if you have not added that, definitely watch on this particular levels, and if you're still holding for long term, definitely hold it. So try to average near the levels which we have discussed. So most probably it might not come down. If it comes, so watch out for 1600 followed by 1580 rupees levels. Okay, so targets wise would be 1700 plus. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section and also in Instagram. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.